Team Lakay Bantamweight star Kevin "The Silencer" Belingon will be getting his much-awaited rematch against reigning One Championship Bantamweight world champion Bibiano "The Flash" Fernandes later this year. One Championship CEO and Chairman Chatri Sitadtong announced on Facebook that the highly anticipated Bantamweight title rematch will serve as the co-main event for One's Heart of the Lion card in Singapore on November 9. Belingon, the reigning One Interim Bantamweight world champion, earned his rematch against Fernandes after defeating two-division world champion Martin Nguyen via unanimous decision back in July. It was Belingon's sixth straight victory. Fernandes, on the other hand, has been One's bantamweight king since 2013 and has defended the title successfully 7 times since. The Brazilian submission specialist's most recent defense also came against Nguyen, who was hunting for a record third world title in as many divisions. This will be Belingon's second crack at the bantamweight title, having challenged Fernandes back in 2016 and losing via first-round submission. The 30-year-old Ifugao native has since dispatched 4 former world title challengers in his impressive 6-fight winning streak on his way back up to top contender status. Headlining One's return to Singapore will be a champion versus champion matchup, as reigning One women's strawweight world champion Xiong Jingnan will be defending her title against reigning One women's atomweight world champion Angela Lee.